What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. As you can see here, we have our beautiful church. They call us to check it out. The stairs is really dangerous. People, slip over and fall. It's really dangerous situation. As you can see, the crack on the tile here, it's been done a long time. So they put a yellow tape just to prevent people to get through. Then we create some time to come up and then check it out, see if we can just rebuild a new staircase in concrete. To be honest, we're not gonna destroy everything, but we're just gonna reinforce that and then probably destroy the first step and then remove the first 2 or 3 inch of concrete on top of those 3. So it's gonna be like remodeling stairs. Okay, so for you who never worked with concrete before, it's important to check that whenever you see a crack in the concrete, it's better to demolish everything like we do the first step right here. So there's no way to try to save that stairs when it's always cracked, it's always damaged. So we go ahead and destroy the first 3 steps and remove the big scoop of concrete on top of the landing, which we call it landing, which is wider, it's 5 by 30. So we go ahead and remove that and make sure we keep it flat, and then we're gonna do it really beautiful. So alright, so as you can see, we're using a jackhammer right here to kind of break the concrete after using the saw with a diamond blade. So we're gonna do the framing. So unfortunately, guys, the video was about to end because of the situation of the rain. It will be raining a lot, so just so you know, we won't have the part where we kind of like film the framing of the stairs and stuff like that, but you're gonna see the result of it. So unfortunately, it's like a really rainy day. We have some sunshine right now, but it's gonna be raining really fast, so just so you know. So now we're building the frame and stuff like that. Make sure that the frame is all solid, level and secure, because the one mistake you don't want to do is like do your framing and then it's not solid. When you put concrete, the mess happen. We saw that in videos and stuff like that. So we have our framing done. We have our the steel bars up there. So we ready to pour the concrete. Got our concrete machine guy over there, so ready to pour the concrete. So this is where the speed comes to, guys. So alright, so like I said, it's gonna be raining. So as you can see, there's few water, the sunshine store up and then water again. So the video gonna stop here. So after that, the end result is like that. Basically, it's nighttime. It's it's dark when it's raining. As you know, it's dark out there. So we go ahead and get a few videos for you guys. Unfortunately, the contrast is not too good because I took it on my my cell phone. All right. So and then next day it's still raining. It's still a rainy day. So as you can see, it's still a rainy day. Next day we come back and then check it out. Make sure it's cure properly. And then we're gonna remove all those framing, remove the support, and then we're gonna remove the framing. So yeah, basically it can be done in a week. If it wasn't framing, in a few days. If it wasn't for the rain, we have to stop, we have to wait and then come back. But lucky we did it in a week. From pouring the concrete, framing it and all that. So you're gonna see the result right here, guys. This is it. It's really beautiful. And don't ask me about the color of the concrete, because it was the choice of the church leaders, so they prefer to be with a light color. So they give me that option, so we go with it. But it turned beautiful. It turned really nice, guys. I really love it. It's really nice. And right now we can have a brand new, fresh and beautiful entrance of the church. Nobody gonna slip, nobody gonna fall, and it's all secure. If you like that video, guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will catch you another time. Peace.
Tell me that you love